Look very closely at this chart and these payment notifications. Every single day in the global crypto and forex markets, millions of people log into trade and end up losing their hard-earned money. They get emotion, they make terrible decisions. And that exact weakness point is your greatest digital asset. Smart money does not make money by trading. Smart money make money by selling software to traders. You might be thinking that to build an advanced trading algorithm or indicator, you need a massive computer science degree or a background in financial engineering. Wrong. Today I am going to show you how to use ChatGPT with zero coding knowledge to build a premium custom indicator for TradingView. And then I will show you how to sell access that indicator to global traders for $49 to $99 a month on the recurring subscription model. Today we are stepping out of the crypto casino and we are learning how to generate real dollar from the global market as a pure tech founder. There is an uncommon home for traders all over the world, TradingView.com. It is basically Facebook for traders. They use various indicators to analyze the chart. To build this indicator, TradingView has its own specific programming language called PinScript. Professional traders in London or Dubai are desperately searching for indicators that can identify a smart money concept or institutional order books. They want a tool that highlights exactly when the massive banks are entering the market. We are going to build this high demand logic. We won't write a single line of code oversell, but global traders will think you are a master quantitative developer. Go straight to Claude 3.5 Sonnet or ChatGPT. Use the AI as your personal quant and financial coder. Give it this exact prompt. Act as an expert PineScript developer for TradingView. Write a version 5 script that identifies and highlights institutional order blocks and smart money concept shown on the chart. Make the UI look extremely professional and premium. See the magic. The AI just write entire trading algorithm for you. You just copy the code, paste into the Pine editor, tap at the bottom of TradingView and write onto your chart. Your product is perfectly ready. Your algorithm is done. But how do global traders actually pay you for this? This is ultimate tech founder hack. You don't publish this indicator for free. When you publish the script on TradingView, you must select the invite only script option. This means absolutely nobody in the world can attach this indicator on their chart unless you personally grant them permission. Now head over to Whop.com or Gumroad. Build a simple sales page for your indicator. Set the price $49 to $99 a month. Whenever a traders from Toronto or Europe pay through your link, you simply go into TradingView, type in their username and grant them access. They pay every single month and you generate recurring subscription revenue while you sleep. So open ChatGPT today, generate your first fine script algorithm and launch your digital software company for the global market. In my next video, I am going to show you exactly how to use Twitter and TikTok to upload short clip of this indicator and drive thousands of professional traders from around the world straight on your subscription page. See you next video. Till then, take care. Tata, bye bye.